Hello, Repo Gadgets here. This really doesn't have a name. I just call it homeless goulash, I guess. It's really good. Got it from a homeless guy. That's it and fry. And just boiled macaroni. I'm going to add a little bit of Mexican seasoning to this just to give it a little kick. Don't need salt. You do need pepper. And very little garlic salt. Let that fry up a little bit. That was just basic corned beef hash, store-bought stuff. That's all this is. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. Keep it from burning on the bottom. Just another one of those fast, extremely difficult meals. Takes me all day to prepare this one. Not really. Opening a can. How hard is that? Homeless people have it right. Some of the best dishes I ever had come out of a freaking homeless camp. No, I wasn't homeless. Not that homeless, anyway. When I had my restaurant, I used to feed anybody that came in through my door. I didn't care if they had a dime to their name. I didn't care. Every once in a while, I'd hire one. And give me a little break from the kitchen. Poor guys, just because they're dumb as rocks, can't get a job. Not that they don't want one, it's that they absolutely cannot have a job. They don't have the mental capacity. I wish I could feed every single one of them. It's impossible with the car insurance and gas prices, so on and so forth. Work our ass off for someone else's vanity. Do they really need a golf course? Talking about the billionaires. Do they really need a golf course? That's ridiculous. Destroy that land. Don't grow food. Build a golf course. Destroy the land. Okay. Now I'm dry frying this. And what I mean by dry frying is I'm going to fry it until it's darn near crispy. I'm going to add a little bit of onion flake to this as soon as I find it. There. Yeah, just a little chopped onion. Not very much. And I had a waitress. She complained that I didn't make enough of this. I know it sold pretty well. Paid wages at least. But this is about as cheap as you can get. The entire meal together probably only cost $2 to feed 5 people. Okay, I'm going to add red beans to this, since it's all nice and mixed. All accidents are seen. I don't edit my videos, I don't care. Nobody's died from me yet. Yeah, it takes a little time. It really does. This might take me a good 20 minutes or so. And that's from here on. I'm going to keep the video on. That way you know exactly how long it takes to actually cook a good meal. I'm not like the other YouTube monsters, cracking jokes, carry on, make fun of white folk. No, wait, that's what I do. Make fun of white folk. Goddamn white people. It might seem strange, but I guarantee you this is actually pretty freaking good. The the elderly can eat it. That's the biggest thing. The elderly can actually eat this. They don't need that many teeth, and it doesn't upset their stomach, and they get all the nutrients that they need. Unless they're a diabetic, and then I have to say, no, you cannot eat this, and it's too much sodium. Watch your blood sugar, people. That's what I say, watch your blood sugar. It's like watching someone else cook, huh? Sucks, don't it? Takes a while. But if you got the patience, I say do this. I recommend it. It's not as bad as it looks or sounds. Corned beef, hash, and beans, and macaroni. And that really doesn't sound all that appetizing. But once you put it in your mouth, it's a whole different story. Just remember, don't add any salt to this. Corned beef hash already has a lot of salt. Nothing beats a good old-fashioned cast iron skillet. I'd use my stainless. The problem with using stainless on something like this is that it'll stick hard as a rock to stainless steel, and I don't know why. I think it has just something to do with the heat distribution. So I use a cast iron skillet for these kind of meals, and everything's good. I'm making this as a one plate meal. That means I'm not going to add any sides or anything like that. For the big reason is this holds all the nutrients you need. That's proteins, your salts, your sugars, your vegetables. That's your meat. A through K, vitamins, that is. Homeless goulash. That's the only name I could possibly think of. It's pretty much what it is. It's a goulash. I got the recipe from a homeless guy, so homeless goulash. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili powder to this. Just about ready. Starting to crisp up now. Corned beef hash. You can make pretty much anything with it. I've done casseroles with it. Doesn't have to be just for breakfast. Everybody thinks, oh, corned beef hash, breakfast. No. This is actually a dinner. Of course, you can have it for breakfast, but to each his own. Okay, I'm going to add my noodle right in the pan while it's still hot. If you don't make a mess, you're not a cook. Just remember, it's your damn kitchen. You can make a mess if you want to. Oops. A little bit more pepper to that. Guarantee your family will love this. It's cheap, it's fast. And it's a meal you really can't screw up. A couple of cans of this, fry it up, boil some macaroni, and there you go. How easy can you get? Oops. Guess what? I got more spoons. And that be done. Let's do this into a plate. There you go. That easy. So, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.